How to get birthday chat theme on Messenger. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I will show you where you can find this on Messenger, and if you don't have it I will show you how to get it. So let's show you how to do it. First we have to go on our Messenger app and then go to a friend that you want to set this theme, and then click on the information icon which is in the right top corner of the screen. And then here, as you can see, our first option is theme, so click on that. And then the first theme is birthday, so click on that. They say that the berry theme is no longer available, so it's the one that I have right now, so click change. And now we have the birthday theme right here. It's really cute. So yeah, now let's show you how to get this theme if you don't have it. So we just have to go on our Play Store and then search for Messenger. And then click on it and make sure that your app is updated. And another thing to do is going to settings and then search for apps. And then here you can scroll down until you find Messenger, or you can go to the search bar and tap Messenger. So click on it, then scroll down and click on storage. And then from here you can clear the data and the cache, so click on those. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.